So now we're heading up to Sherman Falls. Sherman Falls, the Ancaster, Hamilton area. And it's absolutely beautiful. And look at the step creek coming down there. So I'm going to walk through the trail to get to the falls. So here we have Sherman Falls, a lovely step falls, very, very pretty. And the creek is running down, so absolutely gorgeous. And looking back at the forest. So Sherman Falls in the background there. Lovely waterfall. I'm going to go closer to it. I'm visiting Tiffany Falls, Ancaster, just west of Toronto, and it is spectacular indeed. Absolutely gorgeous falls. And so close to the city. It's like paradise here in the woods, with the lovely trees all around.
Remember to hit that subscribe button for daily and consistent content. Hope to see you every day. Hit the subscribe button.